When it comes to building the perfect PC, you deserve more than off-the-shelf options. At PC Revive, we bring precision, performance, and passion to every custom build right here in West Palm Beach, Florida. Whether you're a gamer chasing higher frames, a designer needing flawless rendering, or just someone who wants a powerful, reliable setup, we've got you covered. As your trusted custom PC builder in West Palm, we design and assemble systems tailored to your exact needs, budget, and goals. Our expert technicians handle every step, from component selection and cooling optimization to cable management and testing, so your rig runs fast, cool, and smooth from day one. Ready to build your dream machine? Visit us today at PC Revive, where performance meets craftsmanship.